Dear students, today I want to present the settings of the page and how to work on MS Word if you are going to write a research paper or thesis. So first of all, a candidate has to think that he has to go on the home, this option, and then he has to select the font. In English literature, if you are writing a research paper, so your font should be Times New Roman and its size should be 12. For headings, each side should be 14, and for the entire paper, I have clicked on the paper. You can see that its font is 12. You can see, and its font is Times New Roman. That's all. So after that, the second point in the home, you have to see that regarding the paragraph, how the paragraph should be. The paragraph should be justified. The meaning of justify is that your pages, your para should be likewise that means equal from right and left side. So this is known as justify. It is you can see paragraph, and above the paragraph it is cursor known as justify. Apart from this, there is one important setting that you must have proper space between lines. Means what is the distance between one line to second line. For example, what is distance between this line and that line, means first line to second line. I have selected this. You can see that again in home, nearby paragraph, you can see that line and paragraph spacing. You can click, and here I have selected 2. So this the distance between one line to second line should be 2. That is the setting must be done according to MLA 9th edition. Dear students, next setting for this is you have to go on layout, and this is about the page margin setting. Go in margin, and in margin there is second option, that is normal size. Select this. You can see top 1 inch, left 1 inch, bottom 1 inch, right 1 inch. This is a specific kind of setting for a page when you are going to write a research paper or when you are going to write a thesis. This is one point. So again, regarding the size, you have to take A4 size. I have selected this. You can see A4 size. Apart from this, you have to insert the page numbers. You can see here page numbers. I have inserted page number. There are multiple options like top of the page, bottom of the page, or on the margin of the page. Means these are different options. Usually we do page numbering on the bottom of the page. Just I have done like 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see here that 1, 2, 3. These are the page numbering I have done in my research paper. These are the technical settings when you are going to write a research paper. So the heading I have given, impact of Indian knowledge system on Indian English literature. This is my research paper, and this is regarding the research paper. What are the parts of the research paper apart from the setting? So first part of the research paper is abstract. Abstract is a very brief introduction of the research paper. Usually its ideal size should be 200 words to 300 words. That is known as ideal kind of research paper, and the ideal kind of abstract in a good research paper. So in abstract, a student has to give all kinds of information what he is going to explore in the preceding research paper article. So these are the things according to the title. So in the abstract, the Finally, we write keywords. So my keywords are like Indian system, religion, myth and culture, and it has no limit. There may be added other keywords also. Now the first part after abstract starts, it is introductory part I am going through, and then main body of the paper, and finally there is conclusion. You can see I have written conclusion of this research paper. In the main body you can see the objective of the research paper, what are the review of literature, and what are the research methodology applied in the research paper. These things in heading we can apply, or in plain we can write, both the options. A researcher or a writer who is writing a research paper, he can opt. After conclusion you have to give references. It is also known as work cited according to MLA 9th edition. References means from where the writer, the author has taken the ideas and from where he has quoted some words. So these, like M.S. Abrams, I have taken the term, and like Sri Aurobindo Savitri, that is my primary text. Then these are other works whom I have taken in my research. So these are the settings and some brief intro of how to make page setting and how to write a good research paper. So thank you all for listening me. Thanks again.